Let's balance the equation for H3PO4 plus KOH. This is phosphoric acid. This is potassium hydroxide. We'll also look at the type of reaction and write the states. Let's start out with the type of reaction. So we have H3PO4. This is an acid, and then KOH. This is potassium hydroxide. When you have this OH bonded to a metal, that's a hydroxide, so that'll be a base. So an acid and a base, that's going to be a neutralization reaction. We'll get a salt and we'll get water. So the type of reaction is neutralization. It's also a double displacement reaction because the hydrogen here and the potassium, they do switch places. Let's balance the equation. We have on the reactant side 3 hydrogens, but be careful, we have 1 here. So 3 plus 1, 4 total hydrogen atoms. To make this equation a little bit easier to balance, we're going to use a bit of a trick. We have a phosphate ion here and 1 here. So this stays together in the chemical reaction. It's a polyatomic ion. When that happens, it's really useful to count this as just one thing. So we have 1 phosphate ion here, 1 potassium, and then we have the 1 oxygen here. For the products, we have hydrogens. We have the 2, we have 1 phosphate again, 3 potassiums, and just the 1 oxygen. I like to leave hydrogens and oxygens until last, so let's balance the potassium atoms here first. We have 3 and 1, so we have to put a 3 in front of the KOH. 1 times 3, that'll balance the potassiums, but this 3, it goes to everything. So we have 1 oxygen times 3, that'll give us 3 of those, and let's update the hydrogens. We have 3 here, plus we have the 1 times the 3, so we have 6 hydrogen atoms. At this point, it looks like if we put a 3 in front of the H2O, 2 times 3, that'll give us 6 hydrogen atoms. They're balanced. And then 1 times 3, that gives us 3 hydrogen atoms. We're done. This equation is balanced. So it's really useful when you count this phosphate ion as one thing. It makes it a lot easier to balance. You get the same answer either way. It's just quicker. If we were to write the states, they'd look like this. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for H3PO4 plus KOH, phosphoric acid plus potassium hydroxide. We also looked at the type of reaction, which is a neutralization reaction. This is also a double displacement reaction. Thanks for watching.